right now. I just picked these out of my backyard and along other people's yard, and I am getting ready to fry these babies up in some pancake batter. I got my oil over here getting nice and hot. If you've never tried fried dandelions, this may be something you want to do. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. Don't want it to get too hot. And stay tuned. I'm using Saison Perfecto, the taste of the Caribbean. Cara. Perfect seasoning, y'all. Yeah, dehydrated vegetables, garlic, all that good stuff, spices, herbs. And this is the batter made out of a pancake batter with my seasonings in it. Getting ready to dip it. Y'all want to see that? I'm going to dip one in there and drop it in to the oil, but I just want to make sure my oil is good.
Something like that make you feel sick.
Mama said it might make you sick, but I love it. I've had it before, and it's getting ready to happen, y'all. Okay. Look, y'all ready for this? I am ready. Now, if there's any little bugs on there, you know that they're going to be nice and cooked. So, you know, a little dirt never hurt. Okay, so it's just absolutely going to be a delicious, crunchy goodness. Y'all watching for it? Okay, here it goes in. There it is, y'all. And here it is. All I did was use scissors and trim off the stalk. And it's going down in the batter. And it's coming up. Let it drip a little bit, but you want some of this goodness happening, y'all. Okay? I'm going to flip this one over. Uh-oh. Don't stick to the bottom. Come on, don't be sticking. We want all that goodness up in here. Ah, this is not one of those, what is it? Non-stick pans. It's not a non-stick pan, you all. And my oil is on the low side. I had just made a comment to Mama that we are going to have to get us some oil from the market. So let me give this guy a little help. There we go. We're going to flip it. Oh, look at that. Oh, y'all, wait until you try it. Oh, wait. You're not going to try it. I am. Okay. That's all right. I love this stuff, and I prefer my other little pot. So we're going to switch real quick. There are delicious seasoning going on in there, y'all. Just trust me. Mama's like, ew, ew, ew. I don't think she's impressed, but we'll see. Hey guys, these are on the almost done side. I'm just gonna flip this one more time and flip that one. Like I said, I am slightly low on my oil. So, I'm letting these get a little golden brown. Just a little more crunchy. The best part is the crunch. No joke. And the flavor. Woo! Let me just tell you about it. I'm going to go ahead and switch into this pan. Y'all see that little one? Ah, it's all in there. It's all in the other pan. It's a non-stick pan as well. There we go. And take this one out. Well, I dropped it again. Y'all, hang on. Hold your tater. Lordy, lordy, hold your dandelions. Okay. One. Look at that. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at the steam. Woo, woo, here's another one. About ready, y'all. It's about ready to go into... Now, of course, we are going to let that, you know, do its thing. I don't want to cause a problem, but we're going to drop this one in. Oh my goodness, guys. This is going to be so good. Guys, they're happening. I've got them. I've got a bunch in here. I'm going to flip some over. I had my camera too close to the hot oil, so it shut itself off, saying it was too hot to record. So I'm going to try to hold this up a little higher while I flip these babies, y'all. Now, here we go. There, now we're going to let those cook. And we're going to get right in here. I'm going to try this baby right here. Okay, it's getting ready to go in my face. Oh, crunchy. It was a little bit hot. Woo, a little bit hot. I'm gonna try this one. It's not as hot. The flavor is amazing. Mama, you want one? Hang on, I'll let you have one. She don't want one? Y'all want one?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm going to eat them all. But I told my neighbor I was going to give her one, so...
Working hard, so hard, it was a sight.
I worked hard to pick them, so... I'm going to eat them, I'll just tell you. I will. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so I got to get these other ones out to my neighbor. She wants to try them, so... I say delicious. It is. Thanks for joining me. This is pancake batter. It works like that tempera, you know what I mean. Yeah, stuff that makes the little crunchies. So it's getting ready to happen. I'm going to take these to my neighbor and see what she thinks.